Hello everyone, this is the tutorial for YATM, yet another tab manager. To install this extension, go to the Chrome web store, chrome.google.com, search for YATM, and when you are on this page, click the blue install button. Then click on the Chrome extension icon on the top right. You will find YATM and click on the pin icon so that the extension is visible by default. With YATM, you can do 5 things. The first thing you can do is obviously easily see all your open tabs. And to open any of these, simply click on it and it will open in Chrome. The second thing you can do is search for tabs. In this case, I only want to see the Amazon tab, so I search for Amazon on the top of the extension screen, and then I only see the Amazon tabs. The third thing I can do is close a tab using this icon. So let's say that I don't need this tab anymore. I simply close it. The fourth thing I can do is reorder the tab by simply drag and dropping. I can move the tabs around. And finally, the last thing I can do is identify duplicate tabs. So let me duplicate this tab. And in YATM, duplicate tabs are identified in red like this. Then you can, for example, choose to close duplicate tabs. Let's now have a look at the configuration. To access the configuration screen, click this icon on the top of the extension. Then you can increase or reduce the size of the extension panel, or you can switch between pop-up and tab mode. So pop-up is what you see by default. I personally prefer tab mode. As the name implies, in tab mode, the extension will open in its own tab. Then it's always there. And in case you are on another tab, if you click the extension icon again, it will automatically reopen the YATM tab in case it's already there. So that's the pop-up mode and the tab mode. Chrome has two interesting features concerning tabs. The first one is the capability to pin a tab. So to pin a tab, right-click on it and choose the pin option. This will make sure that the tab is always displayed on the left side of your screen. The second capability allows grouping tabs together. So right-click on the tab, choose Add Tab to Group. Let's call this eBay. You can choose a color, and then you can drag and drop tabs. And I have now created an eBay group. So I have an eBay group, an Amazon group. And the reason I'm talking about this is because YATM fully support these two features. So a pin tab are identified with the pin icon, and then you can see the two groups, the Amazon group identified by this color and the eBay group identified by that color. And all the other YATM features continue working, like the capacity to drag and drop tabs. So for example, I can take this eBay tab and move it to the Amazon tab group.